Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. So this is new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. So today maybe I'm going to show you how to trade with forex, because today volatility is too high, so that's why I'm scalping the market. Sometimes I'm trading forex as well. Strong, right? So let me show you here. So here I place so you see my trading history today. It's just small account I'm trading. You see I get profit of $22 with scalping strategy today. So here I place 3 orders here, as you can see. So this is the strategy. This one is start giving $1.6, but this one are at lost. They are not yet start giving profit, but you see profit is going now. So I'm waiting, maybe if I get like $4 here, for $4 or $5, I will close the trade. So this is the way I'm scalping the market all the time. So I will show you the strategy maybe in some videos, how to scalp in forex trading, and it is very simple. Maybe you just take like 10-20 minutes. You cannot hold the trade for a long time. Just 10 to 20 minutes you exit. So you see here, so I'm waiting for market to give me good profit. So you know, forex trading takes time. Maybe I will pause the video. If the profit is okay for me, I will continue, because today binary high volatility is too much. So it's very difficult to trade binary. So that's why it's not every day I'm trading binary. Sometimes I'm trading forex. So as you can see, the movement of the market is not nice. So that's why I will not trade binary today. I will only trade forex. You see here. So that's why I'm trading forex here. So let me pause. If the profit is okay, I will show you, because it will take time. Sometimes I can hold it like 30, 20, 15, even 5 minutes sometimes. So it depends on the profit it gives me. So let me pause. Okay, I'm back. So as you can see, when I place the trade here, you see now it's giving me $14 profit. This one is 0.44 profit, but this one is minus $4. So as you can see, I place it. I took almost 30 or 40 minutes before it start giving me profit. So now this one, you see, is fluctuating here. So you see I can go out here, because it was long time, and I'm about to close my session. So I can close all the trades now. I'll close this one. I'll close this one with lost. I'll close this one with lost. You see, let me show you the history here. As you can see, the first trade is $4. Second trade is $1.7, and the first trade is 9.73, and this one you see is 3. This is 4. This is 2. You see this is 4 as well. This is 3.3. This is 0.62. This is 13. So this one minus 33 minus 0.33. This one minus 4.9. So the total profit is $28.83. So this is the way I used to scalp in my trading. If the binary option has too much volatility, I used to scalp the market all the time. So one day I will show you how to trade with this strategy. It's very, very simple. So you see, today my profit it is $28.83. Only 2 trades with lost. All the other almost 10 trades all are in profit. So this is the end of this video. If you like it, please like, share, comment. I'll say thank you. Bye bye.